Hi all, welcome to Grammar Through Slides. In today's video, we are going to learn some common culinary terms. Crush. Sam crushed the garlic with a mortar and pestle. You can see a picture of mortar and pestle there. It's used for crushing and grinding ingredients. Mince. She minced some beef and fried it well. Shred. He used shredded chicken to make sandwiches. Mash. Sam mashed the potatoes with a masher. Peel. Sam peeled the cucumber with a peeler. Grate. Sam grated the carrots and made some carrot halwa. Chop. He chopped some onions. Dice. Dice means cut into small cubes. She diced the carrots neatly. Slice. Slice the carrots and add them to the salad. Tenderize. It means to make something tender. The chef used a meat mallet to tenderize the meat. Squeeze. Sam squeezed the lemon into a glass jar. Mix. Mix the fruits and add some fresh cream. Pour. Heat the pan and pour some oil. Spread. Spread some chocolate on a piece of bread. Melt. Melt the butter in a saucepan with some herbs. Knead. Add some water and knead the dough well. Marinate. Marinate the fish for at least 2 hours. Blend. Blend all the fruits together in a blender. Splutter or pop. It means to make a series of short and sharp sounds. Heat the oil and let the mustard seeds splutter.